So far we know how to install Python, how to use string, the integer, then float, how to use Boolean values, then how to print stuff, then how to ask for information from the user. So based on all this stuff, let's do something. Let's do, what can we do? Let's have some information. Like the first information can be name, and let's ask for the name, and input, let's try type what is your name. Then the second one can be a Boolean value. So the Boolean value can be stored in YouTube channel, and let's write input, and do you have a YouTube channel? Then this one. Then the third one can be what can be the third one? What input, what industry is the channel based on? And let's store this in industry. So we can ask for these three information, and for the printing stuff, let's type print, and let's use some concatenation. So first we have the name, so let's type name, then channel Tian has a YouTube channel named, then here I can just ask this one, then I can write which is based on, then the last one, which is industry. Let's copy this one and paste it here. So let's run this test. So first he is asking, what is your name? My name is Tian. Do you have a YouTube channel? Yes. What industry is the channel based on? Tutorial. So Tian has a YouTube channel named Yes, which is based on tutorial. So we have to slightly edit our question. So the question can't be, do you have a YouTube channel? The question should be like something like YouTube channel name. So let's change this one, YouTube channel name, and let's run this again. So what is your name? My name is Tian. YouTube channel name is Tech Tian, not Tain, Tech Tian. And what industry is the channel based on? This is based on tutorial. So now this is giving me the output of Tian has a YouTube channel named Tech Tian, which is based on tutorial. So this is how you can pretty much use all the fun stuff. And so yeah, if you want to lower the size of the font or the overall, you can just go to settings, and here you can change from appearance, you can change from here. If I change, the whole thing will decrease in size. And if you want to change the font size, you can go to font, and you can change from here. So I'm saying this because this is not fitting in my window right now. So yeah, so this is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys have liked it and enjoyed the whole process, and do practice on your own so that you don't forget stuff. And I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, everyone, take care.